basic kay na siya mga living organisms because daghan na siya functions kanang repair, development, reproduction, growth, daghan ka na siya basic. And it carries variety of chemical reactions. Ang chemical reactions or the biochemical reactions is nakita ko na siya dito sa cytoplasm. This muna siya the gel-like substance which is we call cytoplasm. Diri siya hitabo ang mga lahi-lahi nga chemical reactions that is important to support cells. Number 6, cells engage in mechanical activities. So, ang cells is nag-engage na siya, nag-interact, daghan siya mga functions, nag-interact siya, nag-engage siya with mechanical activities that is important for cell. So, cells can move and engage in processes like division. So, for example, is the cell division of two identical cells, the two daughter identical cells, which is we call mitosis and meiosis. So, kana siya nga processes, nag-engage siya sa mechanical activities. Ang hatawag example is the blood, the white blood. So, white blood is ibutang na siya dito sa mga infection cells to fight, to combat pathogens or viruses, bacteria na makadaot or makahatag og sakit sa katao. So, ang white blood muna siya important na siya malaban sa sakit to keep our immune system stronger and healthy, to get us healthy living beings. So, let's take example that cells engage in mechanical activities. Number 7 is that a cell is able to respond to stimuli. Stimuli refers to the internal and external behavioral that is happening. Then, they detect and respond to environmental changes. So, ang cells can sense temperature, iyahang kanang growth light, maka-sense na cell, makabantay ng cell kung na ay light, temperature. And the best example for that is katong ningon ng photosynthesis, which is ang cell makabantay na siya tapos sa light, makabantay siya sa light, then pag makabantay siya nga naaday light, maghatag na siya response. Ang response niya is the growth. Muna siya nga mutubo ang plants, and that is the example that cell is able to respond to stimuli and detect changes and response to changes. Other example for that is the temperature. Ato